got some salt, pepper, and some cherry meat. So I just get a straw, and somewhere down the middle I make a cup for it. This one's sealed off pretty good. What I'll do here really quick is just popped open. Seal it off like that. Okay, it's pretty good. It's not gonna go anywhere. And then do the same to the other straw. So now that they're sealed off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some pepper, and just for one serving, I'm going to put it out on this piece of paper. It's about that much. Some cherry, and about as much salt as I would put on 5 eggs, which is how much I'm going to be preparing. After we get that, we could mix it around a little bit. Okay, after we do that, I'm just going to fold the paper in half here. Just like that. And going to try to carefully pour it down into the straw here. Alright, and I almost reached the top there. I'm going to just tap it on the bottom here, compress it a little bit, get some room, and pour a little more in there. Okay. And then just seal off this tip here. Just like that. And both sides are sealed. It's not going anywhere. What you could do is you could just toss it right in there like that and take it with you.
Oh, that is so not cool. I should have recorded that and then tell your mom what you did. That's like a huge pet peeve.
Pet peeve?
I'm pissed.
Pet peeve?
Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna be crackling air. Oh my gosh.
In case we need the extra here, I'll grab it just to be on the safe side. Alright. And then we'll save that for a trip outdoors.